Hello everyone, this is SMJ. In this video, we are gonna solve ICSE Class 10 Semester 2 Specimen Question Paper of Geography. So let's get started. So the first question is, on the outline map of India provided, mark and name the following. First, we need to mark the Himalayas. So here is the map. So let's mark. So as we know, this is the Himalayan range. This is the Himalayan range. There may be some mistakes as I am doing it from mobile. You can check this in your textbook. Next. So the next one is River Ganga. So the Ganga river is over here. This one is the Ganga river, this which is originating from here. This is the Ganga river. Next question is Chennai. So Chennai is over here. Yes, this one is Chennai, somewhere around here. So the next question is Western Ghats. So Western Ghats is here is the Western Ghats. Next is Gulf of Kutch. So as we know, Gulf of Kutch is here. This is Gulf of Kutch. Next question is Malabar Coastal Plain. So Malabar Coastal Plain is over here. This area. Next question is Karakoram Pass. So Karakoram Pass is somewhere here. This is Karakoram Pass. Next we have black soil area in Peninsular region. So its location is somewhere around from here, over here. This is black soil. So the standard meridian of India is over here. So the next is Jharia coalfield. So the Jharia coalfield is around here. So its location is over here somewhere. I would like to request that as I am solving this in mobile, it is better for you to check the locations of each one from the textbook, so it will be better for you. So now let's move to section B. So here the first question number 2, in which the first sub question is, give any one use of manganese. So the answer is, manganese is an important mineral used for making iron and steel. Next question, why is copper used in electrical appliances? You may know the answer. The answer is, copper is a good conductor of electricity, therefore it is used in electrical appliances. Next question, give 2 advantages of using natural gas over coal. So the answer is, first point, natural gas is abundant and a major source. Natural gas is abundant and a major source of energy, and the second reason is it is eco-friendly fuel. Next question, with reference to the Bhakra Nagal Dam, answer the following question. First, on which river is it situated? So the Bhakra Nagal Dam is situated on Satluj river. Next, name any 2 states benefited by Bhakra Nagal Dam. So the answer is Punjab and Haryana. Next question, mention 2 advantages of using biogas. First, advantage, it burns without smoke, thereby causing no pollution. And the second advantage is it is the cheapest gaseous fuel. Next question. How has the nuclear power contributed in reducing the pressure on conventional sources of energy? So the answer is the heat energy produced in the nuclear fission reactions can be used for producing electrical energy. So by this way, it reduces pressure on conventional sources of energy. Next question. Question number 3. Mention 2 ways in which agriculture sector is important for India. The answer is, next is question number 3. Mention 2 ways in which agriculture sector is important for India. First reason, many industries draw their raw material from agriculture, therefore it is important. And the second reason is its main function is to provide food. Next question. Name 2 agriculture seasons of India. So the 2 agriculture seasons of India are Rabi and Kharif. Next, name 1 crop that grows in each of the season mentioned by you. So the crop grown in Rabi season is wheat, and the crop grown in Kharif season is rice. Next question. With reference to wheat cultivation, answer the following. Name the soil found suitable for its growth. So the soil suitable for wheat cultivation is, which is fertile soil. It could be black soil, laterite soil. Next question. Name the state that is the largest producer of this crop. So the largest producer of wheat is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Why is this crop not grown in southern parts of India? Wheat is not grown in southern parts of India because the monthly temperature is very high. The mean monthly temperature is very high. As in southern parts, the temperature is very high. Therefore, wheat cannot be grown here. Next, name the largest producer of tea in India. So the largest producer of tea is Assam. Next question. What is ginning? So ginning is the process of removing the seeds and debris from cotton. So ginning is a process in which the seeds and debris are removed from cotton. Next question. Why is pruning essential for tea crop? So the answer is pruning encourages the growth of new shoots with softer leaves. Next question number 4. Differentiate between public sector and private sector industry, giving suitable example for each from India. So the examples of public and private sector industries are: first, public sector. So the first example is Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, and the second example is Durgapur Steel Plant. And the example of private sector industries, first one Bajaj Auto, and the second one is Tisco. Next question number 2. Give 2 ways in which cotton textile industry is important for India. So the first reason is the industry provides a source of livelihood to farmers, and the second reason, it supports many other industries. Next question. With reference to Rourkela Steel Plant, answer the following. Where is it located? So the Rourkela Steel Plant is located in Odisha. Next question. Which country helped India to establish this steel plant? So Germany helped India to establish the Rourkela Steel Plant. Next question. From where does it get its iron ore requirement? So the Rourkela Steel Plant gets its iron ore requirement from Bolani and Barsun mines in Odisha. Next question. Question number 4. What are the benefits of using petrochemical products? So the answer is the raw material of petrochemical is easily available, and the second reason is petrochemicals are cost effective. Next question. How has the electronic industry revolutionized the entertainment sector? So basically, electronic industry has given us various products like television, computers, laptops, tabs, radios, etc., which have become a major source of entertainment. Next, question number 5. Mention 2 advantages of using waterways. So the 2 advantages of using waterways is: first advantage, it is most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky loads, and the second advantage is the element of wear and tear is very less. Next question. Differentiate between national highway and state highway. So national highway connects capital cities of different states, whereas state highway connects various regions within the state. Next, national highway is maintained and constructed by central government, whereas state highway is maintained and constructed by state government. Next question. What are the 3 disadvantages of using air transport? So the first disadvantage is it will sorry Next is question number 3. Mention 3 benefits of golden quadrilateral. So the 3 benefits are: first, it will cut down travel time; the second, it will reduce the distance between two cities; and the third one is it will help industrial growth of towns through which the golden quadrilateral passes. Next question: what are the 3 disadvantages of using air transport? So the 3 disadvantages of using air transport are: first one, air transport is more risky type of transport; the second one, it is regarded as costliest mode of transport; and the third, the aircraft have small carrying capacity and one cannot carry bulky luggage. Next question, question number 6. First one, why is there a need for waste management in India? So waste management is needed to prevent pollution. And the second reason, waste management is essential as the amount of waste being generated today causes immense problem to us. Next question, segregation considered a safe method of waste disposal. Explain. So when the waste is segregated properly, it helps us to recycle some of the waste and reuse it again, and it can also reduce the harmful waste at landfills. Next question, mention any 3 ways that may be used in India to reduce waste. So the 3 easy ways by which can be used to reduce waste in India are: reduce, reuse and recycle. Next question, mention 3 reasons as to why the dumping of waste may be harmful. The first reason why dumping is harmful is it is responsible for soil contamination; the second reason is it affects human health; and the third one is it contaminates the air also. So this is all for this video. I hope you have learned many things. If you have learned, then subscribe the channel, share with your friends, hit that like button and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning from SMG.